We should ensure that we minimize the impact on the ecology.
Menteri Tnat ke Khot ke Kiai kong Amprin Lengdo nen ke singi lai thu ba ke jing ju ke nong trai 108 ke de ke blarim bat ke Tnat kelas dang bat Khot tender kanang ban Jied di ke Nongai Jingshakri ke ba Biang na ke Bynta ki kali 108 shu ila ong ba ke Tnat keladap ban Biang ye ki jing siu ke nong trai jong ki 108 ambulance ye ki kam bat ru ki shuti ke ba ki de ben yo ila ong ba Tnat ka don mentah padeng ke jing Khot iki tender bat ka kermen bahakan ni ka kenti kan ommi kanu ke jing
I hope that we'll be able to get through this. I hope that we'll be able to select the best 108 service provider. Benefit goes for the public. That I will never lose sight of, and I hope we'll be able to do justice to this. Without all of this, it would be difficult for 108 workers to get their rights as workers in a formal platform like a vendor, vendor providing 108 services to the state. I'm happy that we were able to take that forward and allow them at least minimum rights and